All right, guys, did you know if you are a Walmart Plus member that you get free tire rotation and free balancing on your tires and free 50-mile torque where they come and retorque your tires? Yes, did you know that? Walmart is the bomb. Look above. Look at their pricing on oil changes and all the tire services and all the services that they have. Did not know that. Did not know that. Now, they don't do alignments, but they will balance, they will mount your tire on a new rim if you had to get a new tire, and you get full blown rotation and balances for free. And I didn't know how often, but they say you're supposed to rotate your tires at least every second to third oil change. So keep that in mind. If you're a young lady, young man, and no one has ever taught you this, that's what this channel is for, to teach you how to save money and get things done and don't get extorted. Later, Gators, talk to me in the comments.